Hello everyone, welcome to my Project Ideas channel. Today we'll learn how to connect the NeoPixel Strip having 12 NeoPixels with Arduino. So let us begin. So for this, we need one Arduino Uno, one NeoPixel Strip having 10 NeoPixels, and a few connecting wires. Now let us see how to connect the circuit. So first of all, we'll connect this in pin of it to this 5 number pin of this Arduino. After it, we'll connect this 5-volt power supply of it to this 5-volt power supply of this Arduino. And this GND pin will be connected to this GND pin of this Arduino. So in this way, our strip is connected to Arduino. Now let us see our code. So this is our code. Over here, first of all, we have used a NeoPixel library. After it, we have used two variables, pin to phi. The phi is the number of the pin of this Arduino to which this strip is connected. And this LED to 12, because in this strip there are total 12 NeoPixel. Now the strip function takes three parameters. First is the LED, that is the number of total NeoPixels in this strip, and the number of the pin number of this Arduino Uno to which the strip is connected, and this GRB is the color code, that is green, red and blue, and this is the 800 kilohertz frequency of this NeoPixel strip. Now in this void setup function, we are beginning the strip, and in this void loop function, we are using the three variables and this random function to generate the different color codes. After it, we are using a for loop to set the pixel color and to show the color of the strip. And after it, we have also used a delay function of 50 milliseconds. And if the S will be equal to these LED means if we have reached the end of this LED, again it will start from 0. So in this way our code is. Now let us see how exactly it will look like. So for it, I have clicked on start simulation. As you can see how beautiful it looks like. Different color codes are generated from 0 to till the end. Wow. It looks amazing, isn't it? Thank you.